Hey ladies and gentlemen, in this particular Rasgueado lesson, we're going to go over, we're going to end up doing a Bulerías remate, okay, or a cierre. We'll get into all those vocabulary things at another time, okay? First of all, we got to learn this shape, 3, 5, 0, 5, okay? So 3rd fret of the 5th string, 5 of the 4th string, and then we're going to have that open 3rd string, 5 of the 2nd string, and then the high E open, okay? We're going to work this down chromatically. You're going to go to the 2nd, so 2, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, okay, 1, 3, open, 3, open, okay? And then we're going to make the A, okay? And we're going to do the 2nd rasgueado. The rasgueados that we're doing is we're here doing a middle index, index. So middle down, index up, and then index down again. So it's 4, okay? And it starts on the beat, and then we do the same thing. And now we're going to do another rasgueado with our ring finger. A, ring finger, anular, índice, A, I, up, and then do that 1, 2, 3, 4, and end with an index down. Okay? So we have 2 distinct rasgueados. Since it's a Bulerías rhythm, it's a 12-beat compás right now. Okay? So we're going to go 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then we're going to hold that out. So it ends on 10, 11, and then you can practice it again. Okay? I have this set at 104 since it's a 12 beat. We're going to go 9, 10, 11, and start on 12. Okay? Okay. Here we go. 9, 10, 11. So that's 104. Let's take this up to more of a Bulerías sound, okay? 160. Okay, here we go. 9, 10, 11. Okay, let me know what questions you have. There's a lot of work there. You can do with a tuck or no tuck with a rasgueado. Okay, so it's your preference as long as you make it sound good and you're doing it mindfully and on purpose. Okay, bye-bye.